Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move or copy a worksheet into another Excel workbook. Okay, so what I mean by that is, if you look at my worksheet here, food sales, right? I want to move this worksheet out of this workbook and create a new workbook instead. Okay, so I don't need this tab or this worksheet in this spreadsheet anymore. So in this scenario, you would simply move this worksheet out of this workbook and put it into a new workbook. So to do that, what you would do is you would right click on the tab. You would then go up to move or copy. Okay. Now, this will open up the move or copy dialog box here. And under to book, okay, you want to click on the drop down arrow and select new book. Okay, because you want to move this worksheet into a new workbook. Okay, so you would select new book. And then you don't need to tick create a copy because we're not creating a copy of this worksheet, we're simply moving it. So you would leave this unticked and then you would click OK. Right, so there you go. It's basically moved that worksheet into a new workbook. So I know it's a new workbook because if you look at the title at the top, it says book 1. So it's a brand new Excel spreadsheet. If I just show you my other worksheet, my other spreadsheet. Okay, so if I go back to the original one, so this is the original one, and you can see that food sales worksheet is no longer there. Okay, so that food sales worksheet has been moved into the new workbook here. Okay, so that's how you can move a worksheet into a new Excel workbook. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do a copy of this worksheet into another workbook. So I'm gonna use this one as an example, but I now want to make a copy of this worksheet back into the same workbook. So I've changed my mind now, and I've decided that I want to keep this worksheet in the original workbook as well. So what I can do is I can make a copy of this and move it into the original workbook. So you would again right click on that worksheet tab. You would go up to move or copy. Okay. Now, under to book, you can see that book 1 is selected because that's the name of the file that I'm in. Okay. But I want to make a copy of this worksheet in the other workbook. So if you click on the drop down arrow, you can select the other Excel workbook that's opened. Okay, so this is the original workbook or spreadsheet. And then you can see my worksheets appearing at the bottom there. Okay, so what you would do there is you would then click on create a copy, because remember, we're creating a copy of this worksheet. We're not moving it now. So you would tick this box and then you would click OK. And there you go. So we're back into our Excel practice workbook. So that's our original workbook. And we now have a copy of the food sales worksheet in this workbook. Okay, so I'm just going to move that towards the right here. Okay, so I've got this worksheet back now in this workbook. All right, so I hope that's made sense. So what I showed you there was how to move and how to copy a worksheet into another Excel workbook. Okay, so if this video has helped you, please do like and share the video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new videos. And that's it for this month. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.